Understanding childhood vaccines, how they protect children and communities. What vaccines are, how they work, why children need them. Safety and common concerns. Why talk about vaccines? Vaccines protect children from dangerous diseases. Before vaccines, many children died from infections. Hospitals were full of sick children. Outbreaks were common today. Many of those diseases are rare. Millions of lives are saved every year. Vaccines are one of the greatest achievements in public health. What is a vaccine? A vaccine is a safe way to teach your body how to fight a disease without making you very sick. It prepares your immune system in advance. Think of it like a practice drill before a real emergency. What is the immune system? The immune system is your body's defense system. It detects germs, attacks harmful invaders, remembers past infections, main parts, white blood cells, antibodies, memory cells. It works automatically every day. What are germs? Germs are tiny organisms that can cause disease. Types: viruses, measles, flu, bacteria, whooping cough. They enter the body and multiply. The immune system must recognize them to fight them. The problem without vaccines. When a child first meets a dangerous germ, the immune system does not recognize it. The germ spreads quickly. The child becomes sick. Sometimes very sick in the past. Measles caused brain damage, polio caused paralysis, whooping cough caused death in babies. How vaccines work. Step 1. Vaccine introduces a harmless piece of the germ. Step 2. Immune system reacts. Step 3. Body creates antibodies. Step 4. Memory cells are formed. Step 5. Protection lasts for years. The child is now prepared for the real infection. What is inside a vaccine? Vaccines may contain a weakened germ, a killed germ, a small piece of the germ. Instructions, like mRNA vaccines. They do not contain full dangerous infections. They cannot cause the disease in healthy individuals. What are antibodies? Antibodies are special proteins. They recognize specific germs, attach to them, help destroy them. Each antibody is very specific, like a key for one lock. Vaccines help the body create these keys before infection happens. What are memory cells? Memory cells are long-term immune cells. They stay in the body for years, react quickly if the germ returns. This is why some vaccines protect for life. Some require booster shots. Why do babies get so many vaccines? Babies have immature immune systems, are more vulnerable to infections. Vaccines protect them during early life, prevent severe complications. The schedule is designed based on research to protect at the right time. Common childhood vaccines. Examples include MMR, measles, mumps, rubella, DTaP, diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, polio, hepatitis B, varicella, chickenpox, HPV, older children. Each protects against serious disease. What is herd immunity? Herd immunity means when most people are vaccinated, germs cannot spread easily. Vulnerable people are protected. This protects newborns, cancer patients, people with weak immune systems. Vaccination protects the whole community. Are vaccines safe? Vaccines are tested in multiple phases. 1. Laboratory research. 2. Small safety trials. 3. Large population trials. 4. Continuous monitoring after approval. They are among the most monitored medical products in the world. Common side effects. Most side effects are mild. Soreness at injection site, mild fever, tiredness. These are signs that the immune system is working. Serious reactions are extremely rare. Vaccine myths versus facts. Myth: vaccines cause autism. Fact: Large studies show no link. Myth: too many vaccines overload the immune system. Fact: children's immune systems handle thousands of germs daily. Myth: natural infection is better. Fact: natural infection can cause severe complications. What happens if we stop vaccinating? When vaccination rates drop, outbreaks return, measles resurges, preventable deaths increase. History shows diseases come back when vaccination decreases. Why booster shots? Some vaccines need boosters because immune memory weakens over time. Boosters strengthen protection. It is like refreshing your body's memory. Vaccines and global health vaccines have eradicated smallpox, nearly eliminated polio, saved millions of lives yearly. They reduce hospitalizations, disability, healthcare costs. Summary: vaccines train the immune system safely, protect children from dangerous diseases, protect communities through herd immunity, are carefully tested and monitored. Vaccination is both personal protection and community responsibility.